Hello, my dear student. Today we will take lecture number 2 in level 4. In level 4, under the title of Did You Have Fun? Did you have fun? This is the title of our session for today. We have a snapshot, so let's listen to the following snapshot.
Did you have fun? Page 92, Exercise 1, Snapshot. Top 8 things people hate to do. Listen and practice.
1. Stand in line. 2. Do laundry. 3. Travel to work. 4. Go to meetings. 5. Exercise. 6. Work in the yard. 7. Clean the house. 8. Open the mail.
So, top 8 things people hate to do: stand in line, to be patient for standing, do laundry, travel to work, go to meetings, exercise, work in the yard, clean the house, and open the email or the mail. Here we have a conversation under the title of I didn't study. I didn't study. Let's listen to the conversation, then we will discuss the main focus of the following conversation after listening.
Conversation. I didn't study. Listen and practice.
Hi, Amy. Did you have a good weekend?
Well, I had a busy weekend, so I'm a little tired today.
Really? Why?
Well, on Saturday, I exercised in the morning. Then my roommate and I cleaned, did laundry, and shopped. And then I visited my parents.
So, what did you do on Sunday?
I studied for the test all day.
Oh no. Do we have a test today? I didn't study. I just watched TV all weekend.
Let's listen to the conversation again.
Conversation. I didn't study. Listen and practice.
Hi, Amy. Did you have a good weekend?
Well, I had a busy weekend, so I'm a little tired today.
Really? Why?
Well, on Saturday, I exercised in the morning. Then my roommate and I cleaned, did laundry, and shopped. And then I visited my parents.
So, what did you do on Sunday?
I studied for the test all day.
Oh no. Do we have a test today? I didn't study. I just watched TV all weekend.
So here it's a conversation between Jason and Amy. They are talking about what did they do in the weekend. So did you have a good weekend? So the conversation here should be in the past simple tense. Did you have a good weekend? Well, I had busy weekend. I'm a little tired today. Really, why? Well, on Saturday I exercised in the morning. Then my roommate and I cleaned, did laundry, and shopped. Then I visited my parents. So what did you do on Sunday? I studied for the test all day. Oh no. Do we have a test today? I didn't study. I just watched TV all weekend. So the whole conversation is in the past simple tense. If you contemplate here, did in the past and had, okay, exercised, cleaned, did laundry, shopped, visited, what did, studied. I didn't study, just watch it. TV all weekend. Most of the verbs are in the past simple tense. So the grammar focus of our session today is about the past simple tense with regular and irregular verbs. But first, let's know an overview about the past simple tense. We should know why we use it, the usage of the past simple tense. Then we should know the key words of the past simple tense. Then we will know the past tense in the affirmative, in the negation, question, concerning, yes and no question, and double H questions, and both of them will be with the regular and irregular verbs. So let's first know when we use the past simple tense. We use the past simple tense when we want to talk about something happened and finished in the past, like the weekend. In the conversation, it's already finished and they did so many things in the weekend that should be expressed in the past simple tense because they are already now in the studying days, no weekend. So all these things happened in the past, they will talk about in the past simple tense. So we use the past simple tense when we want to make or to talk about something happened in the past, when we want to tell a story happened in the past, any action happened in and finished also in the past using the past simple tense. This is about the usage of the past simple tense. Before knowing its structure, you should know why and when we use the past simple tense, and this is the usage of the past simple tense. Let's move now to the key words of the past simple tense. We have once, we have ago, also last week, last month, last session, last year, last plus any period of time. Okay, also yesterday, once, ago. All these vocabulary indicating past simple tense, you should be aware of them. Now let's talk about the structure of the past simple tense in the affirmative. In the affirmative with regular verbs. With what? Regular verbs. Because then we will talk about the irregular verb. But first, let's have a look about the regular verb in the past simple tense. As you know that the sentence in English beginning by subject, then the verb, then the complement of the sentence. So here we will talk about the verb, the regular verb definitely. Okay, we should add the ed or ied to the verb. This is with the regular verb. I repeat again, the regular verb. We add the ed or Okay? We add D when the verb ends by E. We just add D as exercise and exercised. Okay? When we add ed, when the verb ends by ch, sh, ss, x, and o, we add ed. Like watch will be watch it. And we add ied when the verb ends by y and preceded by a consonant, not a vowel. A consonant is any letter without, except a, e, o, u, and I. Any letter, like study, we have y preceded by what? Consonant. In this case, we delete y and add ied. So here, let's read together the following examples. I studied on Sunday, you watched TV, she stayed home, we shopped for groceries, and they exercised on Saturday. This is the affirmative form with regular verbs. So how to make negation? You will use didn't plus the infinitive. I didn't study on Saturday. You didn't watch a movie. She didn't stay out. And we didn't shop for clothes. They didn't exercise on Sunday. Didn't is the abbreviation or contraction of did not. Spelling here, stayed will be added, stayed, watch, watch it, exercise, exercised, study, studied, shop, shopped. And when the verb consists of just one syllable like shop, in this case we multiply the la and followed by, when the verb consists of just one syllable and the consonant is preceded by a vowel, in this case we duplicate, we multiply the consonant, the last consonant, and add ed. Let's listen to the grammar focus.
Exercise 3, Grammar Focus. Simple past statements. Regular verbs.
I studied on Sunday. I didn't study on Saturday.
You watched TV. You didn't watch a movie.
She stayed home. She didn't stay out.
We shopped for groceries. We didn't shop for clothes.
They exercised on Saturday. They didn't exercise on Sunday.
Didn't equals did not.
Spelling.
Stay, stayed. S-T-A-Y-E-D.
Watch, watched. W-A-T-C-H-E-D.
Exercise, exercised. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E-D.
Study, studied. S-T-U-D-I-E-D.
Shop, shopped. S-H-O-P
explaining the past simple tense with regular verb. Let's answer together the following exercise. Number 8, Tim is talking about his weekend. Complete the sentence, then compare with a partner. On Friday night, I waited for a phone call, but my girlfriend didn't call. I just stayed home and watched TV TV. On Saturday, I visited my friend Frank. We talked and listened to music. In the evening, he invited some friends over and we cooked a great meal. It's in the negative form. So what? I didn't work very hard on Sunday. I didn't study at all. I just walked to the mall and shopped. Also here, complete the sentence, use your own information, then compare with the partner. Yesterday, I watched TV. Last night, I stayed home. Last week, I cleaned the house. Last month, I shopped for clothes. Last year, I visited a different country. The second part of our session for today is about the past simple tense with what? With the irregular verb. With the irregular verbs. Okay, they are irregular verb. You should keep them by heart. Okay, such as do will be did, get will be got, go will be went. In the past form is went, meet, met, come, came, have, had. Also, we have so many verbs, irregular verbs, definitely, such as eat will be ate, drink, drank, meet, met, write, wrote, read, read, put, put. Drive, drove. Let's listen to the grammar focus, the second part of our grammar in our session for today.
4. Exercise 5. Grammar focus. Simple past statements. Irregular verbs.
I did my homework. I didn't do laundry.
You got up at noon. You didn't get up at 10 o'clock.
He went to the museum. He didn't go to the library.
We met our classmates. We didn't meet our teacher.
You came home late. You didn't come home early.
They had a picnic. They didn't have a party.
So here, I did my homework. I didn't do laundry. You got up at noon. You didn't get up at 10. Negation, didn't plus the infinitive. He went to the museum. He didn't go to the library. We met our classmates. We didn't meet our teacher. You came home late. You didn't come home early. They had a picnic. They didn't have a party. They didn't have a party. Here, some of the irregular verbs, both the past, the present will be buy, ate, the present, eat, felt, the present, feel. made, the present make. Read, it's pronounced read, but it's written R-E-A-D. The present is read, the same writing way, but the different pronunciation. Ride, the past of road is the past of ride. So the past of see. Sat, the past of sit. Took, the past of take. So here, buy, eat, feel, make, read, ride, see, sit, and take. We have another conversation about how to make a yes and no question using or in the past simple tense. In the past simple tense. Let's listen to the following conversation. Then we are going to discuss the conversation and the main focus of it.
Page 95, Exercise 7, Conversation. Did you like it? Listen and practice.
So, did you go anywhere last summer, Erica?
Yes, I did. My sister and I went to Arizona. We saw the Grand Canyon.
Really? Did you like it?
Oh, yes, we loved it.
Did you go hiking?
No, we didn't. Actually, we rode horses. And one day we went whitewater rafting on the Colorado River.
Wow. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. But my sister didn't like the rafting very much.
Let's listen again.
So, did you go anywhere last summer, Erica?
Yes, I did. My sister and I went to Arizona. We saw the Grand Canyon.
Really? Did you like it?
Oh, yes, we loved it.
Did you go hiking?
No, we didn't. Actually, we rode horses. And one day we went whitewater rafting on the Colorado River.
Wow. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. But my sister didn't like the rafting very much.
So, did you go anywhere last summer, Erica? Yes, I did. My sister and I went to Arizona. We saw the Grand Canyon. Really? Did you like it? Oh, yes, we loved it. Did you go hiking? No, we didn't. Actually, we rode horses and one day we went to whitewater rafting on the Colorado River. Wow! Did you have fun? Yes, I did, but my sister didn't like the rafting very much. So here, if you note that the conversation is full of yes and no question beginning by did. So here, did you go anywhere last summer, Erica? Yes, I did. My sister and I went to Arizona and we saw the Grand Canyon. Or did you like? Did you like? Did you go hiking? Did you go hiking? Did you have fun? So the whole conversation is full of yes and no question in the past simple tense. So let's explain the simple past yes and no question. It consists of did plus subject plus the infinitive, then the complement of the question mark. If it's okay, if yes, it will be yes, and the subject then did. If no, no, subject then didn't. Subject then didn't. This is the main focus of our session. Okay, to know how to make yes and no question in the past simple tense. Let's read together. Did you have a good summer? Yes, I did. I had a great summer. Did you ride a bicycle? No, I didn't. I rode a horse. Did Erica like her vacation? Vacation here means a holiday. Yes, she did. She liked it a lot. Did Erica and her sister go to the Colorado? No, they didn't. They went to Arizona. Let's listen to the grammar focus.
Page 95, Exercise 8, Grammar Focus. Simple past yes-no questions.
Did you have a good summer?
Yes, I did. I had a great summer.
Did you ride a bicycle?
No, I didn't. I rode a horse.
Did Erica like her vacation?
Yes, she did. She liked it a lot.
Did Erica and her sister go to Colorado?
No, they didn't. They went to Arizona.
So let's answer the following question. The following question, which is an application of the previous rule of simple past yes and no questions. Here, complete the conversations, then practice with a partner. Did you have a good summer? Yes, I. Yes, I did. I had in the past a great summer. I went to the beach a lot. I went because it's a regular verb here. I went to the beach a lot. Did you go anywhere last summer? No, I didn't. I stayed here. I got a part-time job, so I made some extra money. Again, this point number 2. Did you go anywhere last summer? No, I didn't. I stayed here. I got a part-time job, so I made some extra money. I made some extra money. Number 3. Did you take any classes last summer? Yes, I did. I took tennis lessons and I played tennis every day. Again, did you take any classes last summer? Yes, I did. I took tennis lessons and I played tennis every day. Number 4. Did you speak English last summer? No, I didn't, but I read English books and I watched English movies. Here we have an interesting reading. It's also about how to use the past simple tense in your narration when you talk about something happened in the past. When you talk about the events happened in the past using the past simple tense. Did you have a good weekend? Let's read together. We have here Karen, 12:45. I had a great weekend. I went to my best friend Maria's wedding. She got married in her parents' garden. She wore a fantastic dress. Her parents served a nice meal after the ceremony. I'm really happy for her, and her new husband is really nice. If you make an analysis or have a look about had in the past, went is also in the past, got in the past, wore in the past, served in the past. As for bit, I didn't go. Here we have a negative form. I didn't go outside all weekend. I had so much work to do. On Saturday I studied all day. On Sunday I did the dishes, cleaned my apartment and did laundry. Sunday night I watched a DVD for my history class. My weekend wasn't relaxing at all. My weekend wasn't relaxing at all. So I didn't go. I studied, I did the dishes, cleaned my apartment, did laundry, watched TV, wasn't relaxing. All these verbs are in the past simple tense. As for Lacey, I had an interesting weekend. I had also in the past simple tense because her vacation or weekend is already finished. I went camping for the first time. My friends and I drove to the campsite on Saturday. First, we put up the tent, then we built a fire, cooked dinner, and told stories. On Sunday, we went fishing. I didn't really like camping, but I learned a lot. Again, I had an interesting weekend. I went camping. I went the past of go camping for the first time. My friends and I drove to the campsite on Saturday. We put up the tent we built here also, cooked in the past, told, went, didn't like here also in the past, and I learned also in the past simple tense. As for Jonathan, I went to a rock concert. Concert here is a musical party. Okay, with some friends. I had also in the past an awful time. It took the past of take 3 hours to drive there. I didn't like the band at all. Then on our way home the car broke down. The past of break is broke. My parents came and got us, and finally I finally got home at 6 in the morning. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. This is a reading, useful reading, having a lot of verbs in the past simple tense, and also includes or contains a lot of new vocabulary. You should keep them in order to know how to express what you want. You should memorize a lot of vocabulary and keep them by heart, and also you should use correct grammar in order your sentences should be meaningful. After the wedding, everyone went out to eat. Here, read the chat room posts, then correct the sentence. I'll leave this exercise for you to correct the following sentences after you have read the following conversation. We will stop here. It's enough for you for today, and see you next time, inshallah. Bye bye.